as an actor, she's added her own flavor to the film, and that's what makes the character the way it's looking. She used to take 3 hours to get ready. So if she had a call time of 10 o'clock, she used to be on set at 6:37 to be ready. She used to come with all those heavy clothes and on the harness. So it just all happened so quickly. ऐसा लग रहा था कि literally they were waiting for us to say yes. And then it just started. Obviously she's Sonakshi Sinha, and but the most amazing part about being with her on set was that she didn't come with any baggage. She just came, like she said, she's a director's actor. She didn't come prepared. As an actor, she's added her own flavor to the film, and that's what makes the character the way it's looking. She's so sweet in the sense that I've said this in my earlier interviews, I'm saying it on yours as well. Like, she used to take 3 hours to get ready. So if she had a call time of 10 o'clock, she used to be on set at 6:37 to be ready. She used to come with all those heavy clothes and on the harness. And typically, you know, like, they used to say after a couple of hours, ma'am, they used to think that ma'am थक गई होंगी, उनको pack up करा देते हैं. So she's like, मैं 3 घंटे लेती हूँ ready होने के लिए, please मुझसे और काम करा लो. So for me, I was like, this is amazing. And you know, she used to just be sitting quietly, watching everything. But there was something about her that was so warm and so nice. You know, like I always say that she comes from Shatruji's teaching as well, where you know the professionalism that comes along, the sense of timing. You know, you need to be there, respect for your cast, crew, not only your people, but everyone who's on the set. And I think it's fabulous to see her on that set, and it was actually fun. There was something very unique about it, because it's something that I have not done, exactly like Sonakshi said, something that I've never played before in my life. And there's one sequence in the film which is the main sequence of you know, the movie. That is something that intrigued me to doing it, saying yes actually, because I never played it before, and I don't know whether things like this will come again and again in your career of being an actor. So for me, I said, you know what, I'm going to do this, and I was quite excited when Venkat sir narrated it to me. And then before I knew it, we were on the set and we were shooting for the film. So it just all happened so quickly. ऐसा लग रहा था कि literally they were waiting for us to say yes. And then it just started. Now there's huge difference in everything, and I think it's only for the better, because you know, we are all changing and we are all moved with time. Cameras are different, quality is different, technology is different, everything is so different. And I feel personally, whether you're doing you know, any language movie, it really doesn't matter, because there is a possibility for every actor to do every language movie. So I think that is also a very welcome change, in my opinion. It's become a global industry today. Today everyone is everywhere, and I think that's the fun part.